Guangzhou Company Limited, Alibaba Golden Supplier since 2014, connects global labs with precision instruments from 50-plus ISO 9001 certified Chinese manufacturers. Over 13 years, we've delivered reliable solutions to 1,000-plus institutions in 100-plus countries, ensuring seamless integration and operational excellence for laboratories worldwide. Core strengths for global collaboration: 3D lab integration plans validated by 8+ years experienced engineers, specializing in complex laboratory and industrial applications. Technical specification categorization within OEM and ODM frameworks, from concept design to final production. Firstly to secondly years warranty with centralized service hubs in China. Supply chain visualization tracking system on-demand factory audits. Engineering reliability, delivered, real-time remote diagnostics via dedicated support portals, multi-tiered after-sales systems covering installation to maintenance. Multi-UL project coordination ensuring clear communication. Pre-shipment video validation for quality assurance and compliance with international standards. Annual supplier quality evaluations to ensure consistency and continuous improvement in manufacturing processes. Trusted partnership ecosystem. 30-plus distributors empowered with exclusive technical training. Pre-qualified manufacturer alliances ensuring consistent quality. Live AELAB demos for transparent product validation. Client-centric value, free lab OPAO consulting, global logistics coordination. With proven expertise in complex instrument deployment, IELAB is your bridge to mission-ready laboratory solutions, delivering innovation, reliability, and operational excellence.
Welcome to AELAB.